For a long time is does this when the lava rock cools down from just being erupting, so does it like does it actually cool down or does it just harden like and it's still hot?
Oh no, the reason it hardens is because it cools down.
I don't know if that was it or not, but
Yeah, phase
so now it's
depends on the
warm
temperature.
because of the sun, right?
Yeah, but for it to be liquid, it's really hot. It can still be solid and be way too hot to touch, you know? See, it's that heat from the center of the earth, and then it dissipates it to the air that's up here.
Yeah.
Cools off.
And once this part of Earth, where it was just plain water, became into this island.